Here's a quick tip if you're trying to rearrange sheets in a workbook. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. I've got a sheet for each day of the month, and I'd like to move this notes right to the end of all the worksheets. So instead of dragging it along, I'm going to open another window. I'll go up to the ribbon, go to View, and New Window. So it's the same workbook. Right now we're looking at the same sheet, but I could look at any other sheet without affecting this view. I want to take the notes and put it right to the end. So I'm going to point to this button here, press the Control key and click, and that takes me right to the end. And now the notes, I can just drag right here instead of dragging it all the way across. The only thing to watch if you're using this technique is this sheet has no grid lines and it has freeze panes. The second window, which has a number 2 here, doesn't have the freeze and it's showing grid lines. So if you've opened a second window, make sure you close that second window first, otherwise you'll lose your worksheet formatting. So I'll close it, and now I'm back to this sheet. The notes have moved right to the end with a quick and simple drag between windows.